Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how to create a treatment package. Treatment packages are predefined bundles of services offered together for a specific condition or procedure. A treatment package helps us to group multiple services, consultations or treatments into one plan for the patients. So, instead of charging separately for consultation, tests, procedures and follow-ups, everything is grouped into one structured plan. For example, instead of adding each visit or service one by one, we can create one package that includes everything, which saves time while creating bills or plans, keeps all treatments into one place, makes it easy to explain to patients, helps in better tracking of patient treatment. We can use treatment packages for follow-up visits, therapy sessions, health checkups, long-term treatments, etc. Let's say for example we want to create a maternity package. A maternity package may include all prenatal consultations, routine blood tests and scans, delivery charges and post-delivery checkups. Patient pays one combined amount instead of separate bills with the help of treatment package. Now let's create a treatment package with a group of services combined together at one price for comprehensive knee pain relief program. So let's get started. Let's click on the profile name towards the top right. At the bottom we'll notice settings and preferences. Let's click on it. Towards the left hand side we can find manage treatment packages. Let's click on it. Here, in order to create a new package, we have to click on the create new button. Here we have to fill in all the details to create a treatment package. First we have package plan type. Let's click on it. We can see two plan types, treatment plan and subscription plan. Treatment plan is like a one-time package for a particular treatment. Subscription plan is like a membership for continuous services. As I said, we are going to create a comprehensive knee pain relief program. So let's keep this as treatment plan as of now. Let's enter the package name. After entering the package name, let's also select the number of sessions. I am selecting this as 4 or 5 week of session, so that would take 4 sessions. Let's add this by clicking on the plus or add button here. After entering or adding the number of sessions, we can select the pricing model. If we want, we can keep it as upfront model or per session model. When we keep it as per session, we will be able to enter the cost for each and every session that patient is going to take, and if we keep it as upfront, the total price can be added here. I am keeping this as upfront as of now. After entering total price, we can decide to provide edit access to staff. This is the option which is available for us. We can enter description, which is optional, but I am going to enter few details here. Description is entered. Now we can enter detailed information about the session here. We can enter the session name. I am keeping the first session name as initial consultation. Duration, I am keeping this as 35 minutes. If required, we can copy this for the rest of the sessions. We can select the schedule. If required, we can provide a detailed description. I am just mentioning as detailed assessment, diagnosis and treatment planning. As we can see, we have entered all the details here. Similarly, we will fill rest of the details for the remaining sessions. I am keeping the duration as it is for all these sessions. Let's fill the session 3 details too. Let's enter session 4 details. We have entered every single detail here. Like this, we can enter all the details one by one. Let's review if all the details are added once again. If everything is added, we can simply click on create treatment package to save all the details that we have entered so far. We have now seen how to create a treatment package. Now we will see how to apply it on a patient. So let's go to Q section. Let's add a patient. So let's click on select or add patient. After adding the patient, we can see package here. This is visible for me because under advanced settings I have enabled here. If it is not enabled, please enable and then click on save. Only then this will be visible for us here. So let's click on select a package. Let's click on this option. Let's select the package. We have added the treatment package that we have created. Now this again can be edited as per necessity. We can add the number of sessions or we can reduce the number of sessions. We can change the pricing model, upfront or per session. We can change the total price. Session details can be added. I am leaving everything as it is. And we will click on start treatment. With this we will be able to apply the treatment for the patient. Now when we click on this option here, we can select the treatment for this session as per the appointment and we can directly click on check-in. We will be able to see the treatment that is applied on the patient like this. Now the same set of details are available for us under patient's dashboard. So when we click on the patient name, we have treatments. When we click on it, we will be able to view the treatment details of the patient. This is how we will be able to create treatment packages and we will be able to apply it on the patient. Thank you for watching.